Day 21 of opening Pokemon cards every single day. Make sure you stay tuned to see if we get a hit today or not. Also, if you guys like this content, you guys should like and subscribe because I will be posting this type of content every day. And here's a code card for you guys. Litwick, Vanillish, a Plume Fossil, Lillipup, Liepard, Big Celigore, Galvantula, Gothia, Swaddle, and a Bouffalant EX. Now let's put this card in a sleeve. Here's the extra code card for you guys, and I hope you guys have an amazing night.